In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it perfect for those of you who need to quickly copy a database for backup or organizational purposes. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace where your wiki, docs, and projects are all managed in Notion. If you're not already logged in, simply head to the Notion homepage and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and you'll find yourself in your Notion home, the central hub for all your projects and content. Once you're in your Notion workspace, you'll be looking for the section called Team Spaces, where all your collaborative databases and information are likely organized. Click on Team Spaces to access your shared workspace content. Now, take a quick look through your databases. Find the specific database you want to duplicate. Click on it to open. Once you have your desired database open, you'll notice a three-dot icon in the upper right corner. This is a common element in many applications and typically represents more options. Click on this three-dot icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional functionality. From this drop-down menu, select the Duplicate option. This action will create an exact copy of your database, along with all its contents, structure, and formatting. Duplicating a database is especially useful when you need a template of sorts or require the same setup for different projects or teams. At this point, Notion will work its magic in the background. After a few moments, you'll have a perfect replica of your database in your workspace. You can then access this duplicate database and make any necessary modifications without affecting the original. Duplicating databases can be handy for a variety of scenarios. Whether you're preparing for a big project, ensuring you have backups, or creating multiple iterations for testing. With this simple process, you can efficiently manage your data in Notion and ensure smooth workflow transitions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate a database within Notion. With just a few clicks, you've expanded your organizational toolkit and are ready to tackle your projects with increased efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to explore more features in Notion to maximize your productivity. Until next time, happy organizing!